Fringes are additional costs on top of somebody's rate that an employer has to consider when hiring. These additional costs may be taxes, benefits, and other items. It's a common practice to set up your fringes first before you begin entering any information about costs and labor into your budget. Once you're inside of your budget, in the menu bar, click on Setup, and then Fringes. You may also click on the Fringes icon at the top. The Budget Setup window will display, with the Fringes section selected. Fringes can be a percentage of somebody's pay or a flat amount. In this example, we'll focus on a percentage of pay. At the top of the window, click the Add Fringe button. A new row will appear, prompting you to enter a nickname for your new fringe. Think of this field as a nickname or acronym for the fringe you are going to enter. These names are important, as they will eventually end up in the fringe column inside of your budget and help you distinguish between different fringes. Today, we'll use a typical fringe, state unemployment, which is commonly referred to as SUI. Tab to the description column. Type in the full name, state unemployment. Tab to the ID column. The ID column will populate with the ID if you have one specified. If it is left blank, the fringe column in the main budget will populate with the fringe name. In this example, we'll leave it blank. Tab to the percentage column and enter in the percentage. Next, tab to the cutoff column. Some fringes have cutoffs, which is the maximum amount that can be paid for a particular fringe. If applicable, enter the cutoff. Please note, some fringes will be subject to state and federal legislation and may change over time. Once the fringe is being utilized in your budget, the in use specifies the total amount of times the fringe is being used in the budget, and the total column will display the total amount of that specific fringe. To add an additional fringe, you can click the Add Fringe button again. To delete a fringe, you can click to highlight the fringe, then select the Delete Fringe button. Once you're finished, you can exit the budget setup window by clicking the Close button. And that's fringe setup in Movie Magic Budgeting.